Okay, so this presentation is a Catalyst PBL. This is specifically for Project Catalyst's voting stack, tech stack, sorry, which is this little scheme here. For those of us that have seen it, it's quite a complicated tech stack. It involves a lot of moving parts, but it's a really wonderful piece of technology that is really impactful and useful for the Cardano ecosystem. It's important that people are able to use it, right? It's not just about creating the technology. We also need adoption. We need diffusion and adoption. People need to be aware of it and need to be able to use it. The Project Catalyst team, the IOG team, has done a great job of creating an incredible piece of technology, but we would like to help with the adoption of this technology. We've already done that through the Plutus PBL for Cardano development, and we want to take that same approach to the tech stack, which just means taking them through this approach, right? Which consists of different modules: onboarding, building background knowledge, contribution, and then specialization, when they can take different paths. If you can see here, there's different moving parts, so they can specialize in each of these parts. And what this means is you get contributors onboarded into the tech stack, which might be involved or incentivized to solve bugs or develop other applications through a system of rewards, or just for learning skills and getting contributions recorded in your identifier and your token, let's say. So I mentioned this before, but the PBL experience is very interactive. It's very engaging. It's motivating. Project-based learning in itself as a methodology has been proven to be more engaging and motivating than, let's say, traditional educational approaches. So we do think that that's an important differentiator. And what the Endamio platform allows us to do is just create that funnel of engaged and motivated learners that can prove themselves through this skill and contribution acquisition recording to be eventual, let's say, more formal contributors, right? You can start on onboarding as pretty much an amateur and see if you like it, get more involved as a building background knowledge. You can get into specialization if there's something that particularly interests you. And at the end of the project, there is an opportunity, hopefully, to like James said, to apply to tasks that involve rewards, that involve maybe more complicated tasks, more specific, that would get you rewards. So this is 688,000. It's a little bit more expensive, but the main cost driver here is that we would need to design and develop PBL courses for 5 different parts of the technology. So that eats up a lot of the budget.